Hey guys, this is what?
JC Poppy.
Oh yeah, JC Poppy. I make the name by myself, but I forgot, so it's like. We're playing slime.
We got so many channels.
Yeah. So the first one, there's JC All For You. There is JC Fun Time. There is JC Poppies, and there's VJC Drama Club channel, and there's VJC Toys Club channel, and there's VJC Sleepover Fun channel, and there's JC Sleepover Fun channel. There is sampai bingung.
JC Fun Time.
And there's VJC Dance Crazy and VJC blah blah blah. Not like that, I mean.
What is blah blah blah?
It's very cold.
Let's do turn.
Turn.
You know.
Wow! Dude, perfect. Kan tadi aku kayak gini. Dude, perfect.
Nah, dude, perfect tuh kayak gini.
Ya, bakal bisa. Dude, perfect. Dude, perfect.
Apa?
Apaan sih ngajeng ya? This one, I'm gonna do the dude perfect. So, kurang. I need more. Okay, there you go. And now I'm just gonna do dude perfect. I mean, it's a fail. Dude perfect. Woo! Woo!
Tell.
Here we go. Right here.
Tell.
To do it perfect. That's cool.
Yeah. That's cool.
Whatever.
That's cool.
See the line as it shines on the sea. It's blinding.
No one
knows, but no one knows. Goes. Oh yeah. And if you guys wanna buy like mail, you can see in our Instagram. The name is JC Mailbox Shop, and if you want to buy, you can buy. There's like for the birthday kids or maybe like BFF. Hey, this is mine.
No, pertamanya ini punya kamu.
Ah, ya kayak gitu.
Sumpah nih itu Hana sudah pertama.
Tapi kan ini punya aku.
Enggak.
Iya.
Enggak.
Oh, itu punyamu.
Iya, soalnya tadi kita udah campur. Nih campur lagi nih. Supaya juga stretchy.
Okay, so yeah.
Tuh kan.
So I have this power bank. It's iRock. And yeah. But
do you know the rock? It's Maui.
And I have this barrel of slime, and I'm just gonna do the
I had to, but I don't bring it here.
Whoa! I can do the flip again.
Tadi kamu betul.
Enggak nih, ulangin ya. Wow! Ajong. On like that. And yeah. So I'm just gonna read Star Daubing.
Baca di record.
Aku nggak bacain.
Oh,
biasanya. Tapi sekarang enggak.
Tahu tak ngasih ya. Kayak stretch. Banyak banget.
Kasih ini ya.
Jangan Nek. Dikasih itu tak ambil dikit.
Iya enggak. Oh.
Siapa tahu bisa lebih bagus.
Makanya. Wow, udah kebanyakan. Enggak tahu kalau udah. Catat. Tolong Mim. Pakai. Okay, so this is an experiment. Bisa aja ini membuat gagal. Kegagalan.
Jadi stretchy loh.
Stretch apa?
Sini.
Ew, this is disgusting.
Let me try mine. Okay?
Yeah. Ew, disgusting. Super duper disgusting. Really, it's Ew.
Let me try it.
Ew.
Shells already tried. Show it.
Ew, it's disgusting. Ew. Oh my god, my hands are slimy right now because of the soap.
Yeah.
The vanilla extract soap.
Oh my god. This thing is so pretty.
The Najong experiment, guys.
No.
Right, guys?
No.
Okay. So there you go. The vanilla slime. So now it's vanilla. Oh.
Tanganmu pinjem.
Ih, kamu tuh.
Kok tanganmu bisa nggak ada itunya?
Ada. Tapi kan udah tak buat mainan slime.
Jadi stretchy. Enggak ding.
Siapa yang Isen?
Aku. Biar nggak isen.
I have the tofu slime. So you know why the slime is very hard? Because I put neon slime, tofu slime, metallic slime, and neon slime together.
Loh, ini punya Ica toh?
Iya. Enggak. Punya aku.
Lah yang punya Ica.
Ya enggak tahu. Ini punya aku. Karena iya cuma dikit 4.000 doang.
Cuma dia aja waktu itu beli cuma 2.000 di tempatku sama Lisa.
Aku 10.000 ya.
Nah,
88.000 ya. Lari sih teman. So yeah, there's that, and this is for my necklace, of course. There you go. So if you want glasses, you can open this. But the glass udah diambil Mima. Isen.
You can open this.
But
Lucu ya Chelsea. Ih, jadi stretchy loh.
ini yang stretchy. Tanganku udah gak kayak gitu lagi. Karena aku udah mainan slime.
Punya aku juga enggak. Rada. Dikit. Enggak. Kok enggak cocok? Tapi rada lengket-lengket aku. Sini nggak ada tisu po.
Nggak ada di luar.
Make it very not stretchy. Yeah, it looks very stretchy. Just stretchy.
And not slimy. Wim, kamu udah berapa menit itu, Wim? Berapa?
19.